Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing another Amazon purchase that I bought with my own money, and I will share both the positives and negatives with you. I will show this 7-tier plant stand that I bought for my growing plant collection. Recently my friend gifted me several plant cuttings, and I needed a nice way to organize them in a small empty corner in my house. This is why I decided to order this stand from Amazon. The package arrived in a double box, and everything inside was packed very securely. All the parts were individually wrapped and clearly labeled, which made the whole process very easy. The only issue I noticed was a small chip on one of the pieces. Thankfully, it is in a very hidden area, so it doesn't really affect the overall look. For me personally, it doesn't serious enough to return the item, but I still wanted to mention it because this is an honest review. Other than that, the quality of the packaging was excellent. The instruction manual was super clear and beginner friendly. Every single part had labels, and the entire assembly process was incredibly simple. Honestly, building this stand felt easier than kids' Lego. I didn't need any tools or extra equipment. Everything was assembled by hand and took me less than 10 minutes to put everything together. Once everything was done, I was actually very happy with how it looked. It fits perfectly into my small plant corner and doesn't take up too much space. I really like that this stand has 7 levels because it gives plenty of room for multiple plants. On the top shelf, I am planning to place a trailing plant that will hang down beautifully and make the whole setup look even better. The stand itself feels stable and sturdy. It doesn't wobble, and I think it can easily hold the weight of regular plant pots without any problems. I also have another corner near the north-facing window, and I'm already thinking about ordering another one there for more plants in the future. Overall, I definitely recommend this 7-tier stand. This brand also offers different sizes, so you can choose the one that works best for your place. For me, this is a solid 9 out of 10. The only reason it's not a perfect score is the small chipped piece, but overall I'm really happy with this purchase.